The word amazing can make your stories more exciting. It shows when something is really surprising or great. Amazing means something that causes a strong feeling of surprise or wonder. It is often used for something very good or impressive. Some people use amazing to describe even normal things. But it should be for things that really stand out or are special. Common patterns include amazing experience, amazing view, amazing work, amazing skills, and something is amazing. The magician's trick was amazing. She told an amazing story. We had an amazing time at the party. The sunset was amazing today. Last year, I saw an amazing rainbow after the rain. It made me feel happy and surprised. I will never forget how beautiful it was. Think of the word amazing as a big smile. When you see something great, your face lights up with a big smile. That's amazing. Remember, amazing means very surprising or great. Try using it today and see how it makes your English more exciting.